This is Manny here from my channel AbundanceVortex.com, and today I want to crush every doubt and money reasons not to get started and involved with Partner with Anthony. All right, but first click the link below to subscribe to my channels, turn on notifications so you're not going to miss any of the coming tips and tricks I'm going to show on my channel. All right, so many of you know that I love Partner with Anthony. I'm involved in many of his courses, and so many people ask me, hey Manny, what does it take? What's the cost? What tools do I need to get started and involved with Partner with Anthony? So well, the question to it is, you need some tools, but I show you right now and here how to test drive it for $30 for $0 to you. No cost, no risk. Absolutely awesome. Good or good. All right. So first, I want you to reverse engineer your affiliate marketing business. So, and I'm going to show you tips, show you steps. You do them, and then first, what kind of tools you need, how to get started, and then we do the math. All right. So let me get started here. Make this a little smaller. First, download my share funnel, business in a box share funnel. You can use that, send it to your list, send it to new cold traffic, and make money with it. But that gives you the opportunity to sign up for the ClickFunnels share funnel for $19 a month. Well, and it's super easy. All you do is click here. The link is below for my share funnel. Below this video, you will get it later on, but click on the link for the share funnel. It brings you to this page. You enter your information. It gives you that funnel. You download it with 2 opt-in pages. The thank you page actually has the course attached to it for affiliate marketing. You can give out for free, and of course collect emails and subscribers. That's what you're going to do. You're going to put in your email address. After that one, you get to this page. Well, this page here is very unique to the share funnels because it shows you the option to opt in for ClickFunnels for a $19 a month version versus the $97 or $297 version. Of course, you can use them as well with a 30-day money-back guarantee, but we are looking here to budget our money. And if we decide to stay with the program, at least we can get started for $19 a month and keep it very, very minimal. So do that, click on that. And yes, by the way, if you go for this opt-in for the share funnel, please shoot me an email to members@abundancevortex.com. I will send you a link for my members area, which is a ClickFunnels tutorial, and it shows you step by step how to set up your ClickFunnels account, how to set up your pages, put in the affiliate links, and all this little techie stuff. So very important. Send me an email to members@abundancevortex.com. Just tell me real quick, hey, I signed up for your share funnel, and I'm gonna send it your way, okay? All right, now our next step will be to get partnered with Anthony. The link is right below, so if you click on it, you're gonna get into the members area portal here from Morrison Education. You're gonna get your Partner with Anthony link here, and it gets you into the portal of Partner with Anthony. Here you will have, I believe, yes, 24 sessions right now, at least 24 days worth of training with several sessions, modules each day, so which is super awesome. It really guides you from the very beginning for the setting up the tracking pixels and your landing pages and all that stuff. It is super amazing, step by step, very in-depth training and hands-on how to set up your affiliate marketing. So that's why I love Partner with Anthony, and it shows you how to plug in your links into his modules. So he did an amazing job on that. So if you're done with that, all right, then it's time for us to do the math. So back to this one here, we are doing the math now. Let me take this a little bit bigger, because that's what I actually initially told you about, how to get a test drive for Partner with Anthony for $0 for 30 days. So Now, let's break it down. You started with my share funnel right here to download the share funnel, and you signed up for the 14-day trial with a $19 share funnel link. That will put you down for $19 for 6 weeks free if you cancel it after the 30-day trial. No money for you. Partner with Anthony, if you go for Partner with Anthony, it will be $7 a month, but you have a 30-day trial on there. If you cancel it, no cost to you. So again, we are 30 days in with no money cost. So next one will be, of course, you need an autoresponder. That we're going to go for Getresponse. I will not go too deep right now into Getresponse, but it's amazing autoresponder for $15 a month. So you need it. You need an autoresponder to send out emails, but it will be a 30-day trial for $15, and then after that, $50 a month. So if you do the math, you have $19 for ClickFunnels, $7 for Partner with Anthony, puts you down to $26 a month, and then a $15 Getresponse after the 30-day trial, which gets you a total of $41 to get your business up and running and keep it running. I believe that is an amazing price for an online business that's actually built by pros. It's set up in a manner that really covers all the corners you have to pay attention to. And if you go through a course from Partner with Anthony, you will find out. And you already saw it's 24 modules in there. If you do one module a day, you're still well within the trial period. If you don't like it, cancel it. And all you are out is the experience to learn and to find out if it's for you, if it's not for you. Again, click below, subscribe, and turn on notifications for many more videos to come. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for your time. That's all I can say for now. I love it. I love Partner with Anthony. I love ClickFunnels. I love Getresponse. So all the links are right below. Go one at a time. There's nothing to lose for you. Just check it out. Check it out. Give yourself a chance. Give yourself a, yes, what can I say? Just do it. Just do it. You know, there's nothing for you to lose. I broke it down. You have 30 days worth of education and trial, and see if this really is for you, or even if you use it in a different way for a different business. Well, then it's a win-win for you already, right? For everybody. So I want you to just try it, see for yourself, and don't let your mind talk you out of it. I cannot do it. It costs me here. I don't have the money this, and I have to that. Probably this final note should become in the beginning, but like I said, it's dear to my heart. If you try it, you can find out for yourself. There are there are several groups or Facebook groups you can join within the program, where you get motivation and support, questions answered. You have my email address. Click at members at Abundance Vortex, so you can reach me anytime. I will be here to help you and guide you through. So really, do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, give it a shot. There's no cost in for you. You just have to get started. And then decide if it's for you. Hey, all the best to you and all the success. If it's not for you, just give support an email. They cancel your trials, and honestly, you will not have any trouble with it. They cancel it, and hey, it's all good, right? Come back soon, see what else we have to share here. And again, click below, click the links below, click subscribe, and try out my share funnel, and send me an email and try out Partner with Anthony, okay? Now, all the best to you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.